Okay, I will show you how to prepare a product review post for my blog by using the AI Plaza URL Parser. Okay, first of all, I download it here, and I already download, and then log into my Joomla backend and go to Manage Extensions and install the plugin. Okay, here AI URL Parser, and always check it is the latest version, and then go to plugins and activate the plugin. First of all, find it, AI URL Parser. Here it is. And one more important thing I want to tell you. You must activate this connector. Okay, now I go to articles and create a new article. Here you can see the button, and I prepared the URL to parse here. I paste it here, select interpret and rewrite as a new content. Okay, output language is my front end is English, and if you have more, it will list here automatically. And additional notes, this is important because I want to create a content about this Joomla extension and the neutral and informative product review. Okay, I submit it here, and then I click to generate content. Now it is connected to AI Plaza, and it is preparing the content. It may take a few minutes, maximum 2 minutes. Okay, it's prepared, and I click insert, and you see, and here the title, and here the same title. I can remove it from here, and I check perfectly product review, and here something about the AI Plaza. Okay, I don't need it, and these are the keywords, and this is the meta description listed here. Okay, you can see it perfect, and I will see it as a featured article, and here you can see the meta description and meta keywords. Okay, I click save and close, and now go to the front end, refresh. Here content is perfect, it is ready. That's it. Thanks for watching.